Are you manually passing every single argument to your functions like a junior engineer? So in the example below, we have this function add numbers and accepts 3 arguments. And one by one, we're taking the numbers from the list here and providing them as an argument. And in general, this does work, but it's pretty inefficient, hard to maintain. And if you can imagine, if there were more arguments, you'd have to manually add each one. Over time, this can be repetitive, error prone, and it makes your code a lot less readable. Instead, a more senior approach is to use argument unpacking. So in the example here, we have the same function and the same list, but instead of providing each argument one by one, we're actually unpacking it with the asterisk operator. So what this does is it passes each item to the list as a separate argument. In general, this is a lot cleaner, easier to read, and much more scalable. So over time, if the list actually changes length to match your function, all you have to do is go in and modify the list, but you don't have to modify the arguments that are being provided here. So as a quick bonus, I want to show an example of unpacking another data type, which is a dictionary. So unpacking isn't actually limited to list, and it's not limited to numbers and things like that. But if you have a dictionary where the keys match the function argument names, then you can just spread that dictionary in using 2 asterisks this time. And this makes your code a lot more adaptable to changes in the data structure or the function itself. So start unpacking like a senior, since you're probably still manually passing arguments like a junior engineer.